Good morning, children. Welcome to class 4 Moral Science. Previous class I have explained chapter 5 True Friendship. What is true friendship? Or why do we need friends? We need friends to make our lives happy. What is true friendship? Or who are true friends? Do you remember? True friends are loving, sincere, and loyal. They avoid every evil. They are selfless and are ready to make sacrifices for their friends. Okay, so friendship is very important. Okay, all of us need friends. Then here is a story, and I will explain the story in the next class. So today we will continue the remaining part of the story. Okay, Arun and Prem were friends. Who were friends? Arun and Prem. They were of the same age and in the same class. Arun was a good boy, but Prem was not that good. Who was a good boy? Arun was a good boy, but Prem was not that good. Arun shared his food every day with Prem. Prem seldom did so. Arun was a good boy, so he shared his food every day with Prem. Sharing the food, that is a good quality, no? Then Prem seldom did so. Seldom did so means Prem did not do sharing. Okay. One day Prem asked Arun to do his homework for him. One day this Prem asked Arun to do his homework for him. So doing the homework by others, that's a bad habit. No. So Arun, what did Arun said? He refused. He did not do the homework, and Prem copied it from other classmates. You know that if we do the homework for our friends did not know anything, didn't get anything, and it will leads to every day. If it happens, that leads to the distraction. Okay, distraction of them. That is why Arun did not do his homework, but Prem copied it from other classmate. Prem used it to steal pencils and pens from the class. This Prem had other bad habits also, stealing pens and pencil from the class. Arun told him to stop it, but Prem continued to do so. Arun, 2-3 times Arun gave warning or told him to stop this bad habit, but Prem continued to do so. One day the teacher left his watch on the table. Prem saw the watch. After the class, he came back with Arun and took away the watch. So one day, Prem noticed that the teacher left her watch on the table. After the class, Prem came with Arun and took away the watch. They sold it in a shop and bought some chocolates and ice creams with the money. And they sold this watch in a shop and they got money, and they bought some chocolates and ice creams with the money. 2 days later, they were caught. Caught means catched by the teacher or someone. Okay. 2 days later, they were caught. Everybody came to know about the theft. Everybody in the school understood about the theft. What is theft? Chori. Okay. Arun and Prem were punished. Both of them were punished. They got punishment. They also got themselves a bad name because they stole the watch of the teacher. That is why they were caught for theft, and they were punished and they got a bad name in the school. So what happened here? Arun was a good boy, but Prem was not a good boy. But in the company of Prem, Arun also became a bad name. 2-3 times Arun tried to correct Prem, but Prem was not become good. And gradually this Arun also became in company with the Prem, and because of this bad company Arun also got bad name. Okay, so what do you have to do? If your friends are not good, if you realize that or if you understand that, you have to avoid them, or 2-3 times you have to try to correct them. But if they are not doing so, you have to leave the company of them. Okay, otherwise you will also become bad. Understand? So this was not a true friendship. Arun was a good boy, but in the company of a bad boy, he too got bad name. Choosing our friends is very, very important. Choosing our friends is very, very important. It is better not to have friends than to have bad friends. If we don't have friends, no problem, but if we have bad friends, that's a problem. So choosing our friends is very, very important. When we select our friends, we should be careful. Okay, understood this all of you? True friendship. So take out the question answer, page number 20. Answer these questions. Why do we need friends? Page number 20. Answer these questions. Why do we need friends? Why do we need friends? The answer is in page number 18. Okay, page number 18 it is there. First paragraph, second sentence. We need friends to make our lives happy. Why do we need friends? We need friends to make our lives happy. Okay, first paragraph, second sentence. Then next, what is true friendship? What is true friendship? Page number 18, last paragraph. Page number 18, the last paragraph, second sentence. A friendship become a true friendship only when the friends are good and sincere. A friendship becomes a true friendship only when the friends are good and sincere. Clear? Page number 18, last paragraph, second sentence. Then third question, who are good friends? Who are good friends? Page number 18. Here, right side, first paragraph. They are loving. Good friends are, in place of they, you have to write good friends. Good friends are loving, sincere and loyal. They avoid every evil. They are selfless and are ready to make sacrifices for their friends. That full you have to write. Okay, clear? So write this question answer in copy. The next class I will discuss the true or false and other things. Okay, bye.